In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download GTA 5 PS4 version on your PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. So first go to the PlayStation Store and search for GTA 5. GTA. If you search for GTA 5, you will see this GTA 5. Go on that. Now go to the three dots, press X, and here you will see all of the versions that are available. So here is the PS4 and PS5 version, here is the PS5 only version, here is the PS4 version, here is the premium edition and Great White Shark card bundle edition, and here are other editions. So select whichever edition you want, press X to select it, and then you will see the price here. Press X on that price and it will take you to your checkout page. So this is how you can download GTA 5 PS4 version on your PS5. Thanks for watching.